What's up everyone, welcome to Stockton. It's a pleasure to meet all of you. On this channel, we talk about stocks before they start blowing up, say goodbye to chasing stocks at all-time highs, and say hello to making some money. So if this sounds like something you want to take advantage of, then hit that beautiful subscribe button and like the video. Now let's get to it. Before we get into the video, I have to say that I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is just my opinion and is for entertainment purposes only. Having said that, if I'm talking about a company, I'll let you know whether I'm personally going to invest in it or not towards the end of the video. But you should always do your own due diligence, so with that out of the way, let's get started.
Hi guys, I just wanted to make a quick video today to keep you up to date with some interesting news on PSTH. Now the term news is a bit of a stretch, as this is pure speculation by some individuals on Twitter that claim that they found incriminating evidence that PSTH is going to merge with Stripe. But before you completely dismiss this evidence, keep in mind that these days speculation by retail investors counts for something. I mean, if you just look at what's happening with CCIV, you'll know what I mean. For those of you who are not aware, CCIV has gone from $10 to $35 based on speculation that it's going to merge with Lucid. So if you can harness the power of speculation and play these moves smartly, you can lock in some really good profits. But before we get into this video, go ahead and destroy that like button for me and subscribe to the channel. We need to grow this bad boy quick, so show us some love. Right, so now let's get into this video. Unless you've been living under a rock for the past couple of months, you would have heard about Bill Ackman's SPAC, PSTH. There have been rumors in the past that it might merge with Stripe. Now, if this happens, the share price will go absolutely ballistic. I can see a 3x return on your money in the short term and much more than that in the long term, which is why it's important to keep tabs on these type of stocks and have them on your watch list. Now, this is the tweet I wanted to show you guys. Jackie Reeses was in an invite-only meeting that Stripe employee Tamara Winters was in yesterday. Tamara Winters is only one of 20 people Patrick Collison, Stripe CEO, follows on Twitter. Say it with me folks, Stripe, 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 Stripe. Right. Now, I'm not sure how they looked up who was invited into that meeting, but what I can do is verify everything else said in this tweet. So I'll show you a couple of images next to provide you with some evidence to this rumor. So basically, Jackie Reeses is a board member at PSTH. She had a meeting with Tamara Winters, who works at Stripe. The fact that Stripe CEO Patrick Collison follows Tamara Winters could mean that she has an important role at Stripe, or it could mean absolutely nothing. Now, even if this meeting actually happened, it's still speculation because we don't know what was discussed in the meeting. However, it is a pretty big coincidence. As I said earlier, I just wanted to bring you guys the latest news, whether it be official news or speculation, because if you're invested in a company, it's important that you know absolutely everything about it, whether it be official news or rumors via social media. Anyways guys, that's it for today. Like and subscribe, have a great weekend, and I'll see you in the next one.